This is Will Nunziata, New York City-based director and creator of theater, television, and film. And today I am thrilled to be speaking with the acclaimed dance choreographer, fitness coach. He also is an amazing model, the one and only Savio Jose. But before we get to our interview, here's a sneak peek at some fitness tips from Savio.
Spartans! What is your profession?
Good, how are you?
Good, doing so much better now that I'm speaking with you. And listen, you do it all, my friend. I love it. First and foremost, I want to know, where were you born, Savio? And when did you realize that you love dancing so much?
Okay. I was born in Mumbai, India. And I think I always knew that I was a dancer. And I'm not just saying that because I want to say it. Ever since I was a kid, I used to dance a lot, and I was somewhat kind of thrown into it, so to speak, because, you know, parents, they just want your kids to like do everything. But I'm so glad that they did that, because ever since they, you know, had me involved with dancing, I just enjoyed the whole process, and I never looked back. And I'm so proud of it. Like I'm so proud of where I've come with it, you know. And that's what I realized. Like, if probably my parents had not done that, I wouldn't even have come across this. I don't know if I would have tried this in the first place by myself, you know.
I love that. I love that. Well, what I also love about it is that you were a dancer, still dancing, but also you now segued into choreography. Talk to me about what you love so much about being a choreographer.
Absolutely. I am a dancer. I started off with, you know, learning choreographies from different choreographers. And then eventually, you know, when I was in my teenage days, I wanted to do my own dance covers to all the different songs. I guess that was the first starting point for me to being a standalone choreographer. I started doing a lot of choreographies by myself. It's up on my YouTube channel. I used to be a lot more active than I was right now, than I am right now. And ever since, you know, I have done a couple of music videos where I have not only choreographed, but also have acted in it. So it's been great. It's been a great journey so far. I have been getting a lot of opportunities where I could not only just dance, but also choreograph my own stuff, which is absolutely amazing. So it's been a great journey.
That's amazing, my friend. And also, on top of all of this, you're also an amazing model, but also you have your own fitness business that we got a little sneak peek about in the video of you doing some chest exercises. I need to get back to it. I know, you know, we all have an excuse during this quarantine that we didn't work out that much, but you just watching you do it, Savio, I'm like, oh my God, I have to get back to the gym. Talk to me a little bit about how you were able to also use your talents as an instructor, because, you know, when you're a choreographer, you're basically instructing dancers to dance, but how you were able to use that tool that you have so beautifully in how you parlayed that into creating your own fitness business.
Yeah, that's a great question. What I realized being a choreographer was that, and not just a choreographer, I found this part of me that can lead well. I know I'm a great leader. I know I can lead a group of people to the right direction. That is something that I found out early in my career, and everyone just liked the way I did things. And I'm so glad that I found that about myself quite early on. And fitness has been a very big part of me. The reason being that it was a big confidence booster for me. I not only work as these jobs, but one of my main job is also being an engineer. So, involving fitness in my life was a very big confidence booster, because throughout my journey, I used to be in fitness for a very long time, but I could never see the results that I really wanted, until one day I sat down and I was like, Savio, you need to straighten this up. You need to get this straight. If you have been doing something for a very long time and if you haven't seen result, then you're doing something wrong. So one day I just sat down. I just did a lot of research. I just got a plan together, and fitness is something that you don't see. Is something that you don't see the results quite early. It takes some time. You have to like trust in the process. You have to just keep going at it. You should like not ask questions to yourself. So I was like, wow, this is something interesting. I because with dancing or with anything, with choreography or with any other sports, like it's very easy to measure your result and your progress. But with fitness, like it's not that easy. You have to be patient. It's almost like building Rome. Like it was not built overnight. You have to keep putting each and every break, each and every single day. Like you won't see the progress, but if you keep going at it, like eventually you will see it. And that's what kind of, I was up for that challenge. Basically, that is what happened. Like I really wanted to see, like I wanted to challenge myself. I really wanted to see if I could do it. And I just kept going on head straight, and eventually I was there. And that was a big accomplishment for me. And that opened up everything for me, like I knew it. Like if I put my mind and my energy and my focus into it, I can achieve anything in this world. So that was a big confidence booster. So ever since I was like, you know what, maybe I need to be into fitness as well. So I'm like trying to relay everything together, piece everything together by being not only a dancer and choreographer, and also by being a fitness coach. So I started my own fitness business right now. And somewhere in the middle, I'm like trying to bring all the pieces together and do something unique.
Well, you are doing it all together. And I think you're a beautiful example, Savio, of an artist who has been able to use all of their tools in their tool belt to not only make a living, but to also inspire others that there is, with patience and fortitude and hard work, there is an opportunity to be your best self. And I just think it's a beautiful message that you are showing, not telling us, but showing us through what you do as a dancer, choreographer, fitness coach, a business owner. I just think it's so inspiring, Savio. And also I'm so excited that you're coming on board this amazing new app where you're going to be able to now connect with artists and other people, not only here in the States, but all around the world. And I'm just so grateful for not only you sharing your beautiful gifts with the world, but I'm grateful that we're connected now.
Yeah, I feel the same way too. And that is something that I really enjoy doing, like sharing my experience with others, trying to inspire people. Even if I do bring a smile on someone's face, that will be a big victory for me, And that's what
you did it to me today. Well, Savio, so nice to meet you. And again, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.